Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is No Chefs here. Today I have about 1.5 pounds of beef and I wanted to share with you this easy but delicious recipe for beef salad. If that sounds good, stick around and let's cook. Begin by taking your meat out of the refrigerator. Here I only have one piece, which is about 450 grams. Let the meat come up to room temperature before you cook it. So set this aside and let's make a quick marinade. We will need a tablespoon of Hoisin sauce, about a tablespoon of soy sauce, and some white pepper. Maybe quarter tablespoon. And now we mix all this together. White pepper takes a little while to dissolve, but it will happen. Just have to be patient. I'm gonna call that good. Tastes nice. Let's apply the marinade to the meat. I'm just going to go in with my hands. Save a little bit to apply right before we cook it. So while this is happening, marinating, coming up to room temperature, set to the side and let's make some salad. Hey guys, so for the salad we will be using the following, but first things first, make sure you clean your hands after you handle the meat or use new set of gloves. Some cherry tomatoes, a couple of these beautiful pickle cucumbers, a couple cloves of garlic, one whole green onion, couple stalks of cilantro with stems. I'll probably chop maybe a half of this Korean green chili. Can't emphasize enough, please use cilantro stems. They are so full of flavor. Let's make cucumbers look fancier using this peeler. Cherry tomatoes, really pretty, just in half. Maybe two more. Okay, here's what we've got so far. Looks really beautiful. Let's give this really quick few shakes of salt. I'm using sea salt and some black pepper. Give it a drizzle of sesame seed oil. Let's give this a mix. I think that looks beautiful and ready. Guys, I have a special guest today on my channel. Are you ready? You ready? You want to see who it is? Look at that. The old friend, George Foreman grill. As simple as they come. I do like the removable plates. Very convenient. It must have been 5 years since I cooked on this. Basically, no temperature controls. You just plug it in and wait for the light to turn green. That means it's preheated. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with non-stick spray while it's still cold. Should be good to go. The old George Foreman is preheated. We've got our meat here. Let's give it extra coating. Some black pepper. Here we go. meat this size, probably I'll start with about 6 minutes and see how it goes. Forgot to mention, guys, nothing is perfect, and these plates aren't heating exactly the same temperature. Look how gorgeous this is. So halfway through, I'm actually gonna flip it. So guys, it's been a total of 7 minutes actually. Let's check. Yep, that's good in my opinion. Beautiful grill marks. Now we're gonna wrap it and let it rest in the foil for just as long as we cooked it. So for 7 minutes, and here it goes. Let's see. Oh man, look at this. Wow, that looks good. Let's go ahead and cut it up. I see grains running this way, so I will be cutting against it at about this angle. Make sure you save these juices. Well, what do you think, guys? I think it looks pretty good. Let's give this a taste. Wow. So good. Look how juicy this is. Wow. It's amazing. Check this out, guys. Now what we'll do, we'll take our salad and place that steak right over. Take those beautiful juices, pour over the meat. Take some toasted sesame seeds. Well, there you go, guys. This is ready. What I did is I drizzled some sesame oil on top. Also some mixture just as marinade. Some soy sauce and hoisin sauce. Alright guys, there it is. Let's give it a taste. Oh man, it is so good. Look at that. It's very tender. It's delicious. I'm so glad I made this. I'm gonna go eat. Thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing, leave your comments down below, and make this. Bye.